In this video, I will show you how to upgrade and manage your iCloud storage on iPhone. So the first step is to go to your settings and then at the top, simply tap on your iCloud account. Now scroll down and as you can see we have iCloud, simply tap on that and as you can see you have your storage. So I'm using the free plan and I have around 1.6 gigabytes left. Now if I want to upgrade to get more space, I just have to tap on upgrade to iCloud Plus and here I can see all the available plans. So we have this one for £1, then we have 200 for £3, then we have 2 terabytes. Now we just have to simply select which one we want and then simply tap on upgrade to iCloud Plus. Now after you do that, you just have to scroll down and as you can see we have another option which is saved to iCloud. Simply tap on see all and then we just have to enable all these options. So if you want to save your photos or videos on your iCloud, simply tap on that and then from here you just have to enable it, sync to iPhone, then make sure we select download and keep originals, and if you see this blue sync now button, simply tap on that. Now go back here and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply make sure to create a backup. So where it says iCloud backup, simply tap on that and then simply enable this option which is backup this iPhone. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.